Ecstasy. What is ecstasy? Some common street names are Molly, Scooby Snacks, Happy Pill, and the Hug Drug. This drug is considered a stimulant. What does ecstasy do to the body? It heightens perceptions of color and sound. Hallucinations. See things from the past that aren't real. Emotional warmth and an increase in energy and pleasure. What is it used for? Ecstasy is used for recreational purposes. It comes in liquid form and pill form. Origin and history. Ecstasy was developed by a German pharmaceutical company in 1912. It was first invented as a parent compound to synthesize medications that control bleeding. Slowly became more popular over the years, and it wasn't approved for a while. 1970 is when ecstasy started to become a party drug. Effects on the body. Short-term effects are impaired judgment, confusion, severe anxiety, depression, blurred vision, and sleep problems. Long-term effects include kidney failure, death, and memory loss. How is the drug taken? Ecstasy is a pill, so you just have to swallow it. It's taken orally. Warning signs and symptoms. Higher heart rate, increased blood pressure, feeling faint, muscle tension, depression, insomnia, and an increased desire for the drug. Fun facts. Even if Molly is pure, it can still cause elevated heart rates, distortion of thought processes, and a rise in body temperature. In the U.S. alone, more than 12 million people have taken ecstasy. Ecstasy is the most associated with nightclub and rave scene. It is taken by people to enhance pleasure in social situations. Having ecstasy is considered a felony and can result in the following consequences: a fine, probation, and/or a prison sentence. Works cited: